Welcome back. So I have a market in the morning, and just in case I don't wake up in time to do this, I want to unmold this gay shit. Oh, come on. Okay. Ooh. Yes. Okay. I'm here for it. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Yep. In honor of Pride Month, of course. Of course. Let's take this one out and see. This one wasn't supposed to be a Pride one, but I was just doing something and I was like, let me just drip a little bit in there so it's like Pride but not too obvious. What's that? This. Ooh, okay, this is coming out good. Just want to make sure. Ooh. So this was supposed to be something else, but in the spirit of all the Pride things that I'm doing, I was like, I might as well do... She's so thick. Like, you see this? Lil' mama thick. Thick. But yeah, I'm here for it. I don't like that there's like bubbles under the boobs. You can see like, yeah, but otherwise... she perfect. You can't really see the orange. Like you can see like in the hints. Actually, well, yeah. I'm here for this. This looks so good. Let me make another one. And let me do this. It's not Pride theme. I just wanted to make this coaster. Oh, it's cute. It's a little heart. And last but not least, yes, I made a rainbow coda. Oh, it stayed. So I did like the clip in red because I was like, I wanted it to at least be the one that stands out. But this is giving me exactly what it was supposed to have gave. And I'm so glad I did this unmolding now. Ugh, this is great. I'm here for this. So these are, oh, it kind of is on theme because love is love. But we got these 4 Pride themed items. So we got this little mini trinket dish, the asymmetrical trinket dish, rainbow vulva, rainbow goddess, love is love coaster, and that's everything for this. I want to unmold some more stuff, but maybe in the morning if I wake up and I feel like I want to do some more, but I just know I needed to get those out because I have a Pride market on Sunday. So yeah, anyways, make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. Check out the podcast, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye.